Picture this. I'm teaching my class, and every few minutes, I'm clearing my throat. It felt like my new hobby. Super embarrassing, right? Turns out it was all about dryness and irritation. I found this article from Plant RX that explained it all. Then I discovered Plant RX Marshmallow Root Tea. Honestly, I was skeptical at first, but I gave it a shot, and wow, after just a few sips, my throat felt so much better. No more scratchy irritation, just smooth sailing. Now I can talk without sounding like a broken record. If you're dealing with throat issues, try this tea.